WWG53. 10, 9, 8. Wait, what the fuck?
In central Pennsylvania, partly sunny 57.
Here we go.
Cloudy 52. In West Virginia, Morgantown cloudy 59 degrees. Wheeling mostly sunny 57. Mostly sunny and 61. In southeast Ohio, mostly sunny 62 degrees.
Go.
And Columbus fog 60. Once again, at Butler, it was 56 degrees under cloudy skies.
Bro. Fuck you.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Hartford, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by the storms to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast